Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now for this week, I'm going to be doing my Get Ready With Me. It's been requested so many times. How do I do my everyday makeup along with my everyday hairstyle? So if you want to see how I managed to achieve this look, keep on watching. Now, I'm no makeup artist, but I do know one or two things on how to apply makeup for my face. And the most important part of makeup for me is how I moisturize my skin. I'm using the Amari Me All Day Face Serum. It's a continuous moisturizer for all day, and it doubles up great as a primer. Now you got to get those lips moisturized so they're prepared and ready for the final part of putting in the lipstick. And then we'll move over to the foundation. Now I am in love with this Fenty Beauty foundation. This is number 340 and I only use a tiny bit of this. I usually like to wear BB creams, but since the Fenty Beauty makeup came out, I just love this. It just fits so nicely on my skin. It gives me that really nice natural look, not a cakey look, when I just apply a tiny bit of it. So when the foundation's going down, I don't mind having my freckles showing through and some of my blemishes because I don't want that full coverage. I just want that natural look. Now another one of my favorites is this Revolution Conceal and Define. This concealer is, oh my goodness, I love it. Now it is a little bit full coverage for me. Yeah, can look a little bit Coco the Clown. However, it blends in so well and it is super creamy as well. By the way, I'm using number C12. I will be leaving all the details of all the makeup that I'll be using with links where you can see where I got them from and how much it costs and all of that jargon. And as you can see, it's got rid of all of those dark circles, which was the aim. Another one of Revolution's products I absolutely love is this brow pomade. Fantastic for my eyebrows because they don't smudge. Now, if you don't know this product, you've literally been living under a rock for a long while. This is the favourite Sacha Buttercup setting powder, which I love. Yeah, I know. I put a little bit too much there on my right eye. Yeah, went a bit crazy there. But I don't bake my eyes for long. As you can see, I'm about to take it off now because it's too much. And the reason why I don't bake under my eyes for too long is because I don't want the powder to settle into my creases, creating some kind of wrinkles or lines. So this is another one of Revolution's palette that I absolutely love. This is the Ultra Blush palette called Sugar and Spice. I don't know what that colour is. It doesn't say it at the bottom. But I'm trying to create a look like as if I've just had a little run in the park, you know? Just kind of flushed. Just a healthy, natural, rosy cheek look. Now Sleek is another brand that I've recently wanted to invest in. This is the Face Contour Press Powder and Highlighter in one. These colours are Dark 886. And I'm just finding my way with contouring. Trust me, it's been a long road. I'm no Kim Kardashian when it comes to contouring, but I like to keep it really simple for my 46-year-old skin. And so it's back with the Sleek Press Powder and Highlighter in one kit. And trust me, I love the highlighter. I can go a bit crazy. As you can see, I am overdoing it. One, because I can't see properly in the viewfinder. And because I just love highlighter. I also feel that highlighter really gives me that dewy look. Makes my skin look youthful and supple. Me need that because I'm 46 years old. Me need it. So another one of Revolution's product. No, this video is not sponsored. Anyway, I love this product. It is Supreme Matte Finishing Spray. It doesn't give me that really stiff look. I still have a dewy look, but it is perfect for keeping my makeup in place. Now I've recently switched from using a black liquid liner on my waterline to a white pencil just because my eyes are really small and the white pencil just gives me that pop and opens up my eyes. I no longer fight with my hooded lids, no, I just let them hang. So instead, this is the easiest way that I can get away with a wing liner with my hooded lids. You gotta work with what you've got and be grateful for what you have. Now the mascara I'm using is one of my all-time favourites from Bourjois, but I do want to try the Benefits Bad Girl Bang so that it can give my natural lashes the boost they need. Now nude lipsticks are definitely my go-tos. I love this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's a number 50 and it's called Nude Thrill. Not only are nude lipsticks neutral, they're timeless, classy, and it doesn't make me look like I'm trying to be too young. Now on to the hair, which I have to admit doesn't take long for me in the mornings now, and this is because the night before I usually spray down my hair with my Thirsty Hair Tea Rinse from Amari Me. I'll leave the details in the description bar, along with the MEL'S Butter Me Up cream, massaging my hair or just really feeding the ends with moisture and the MEL'S Butter Me Up cream. And when I wake up in the morning, my curls are already popping, so I literally don't have to do much. But all I'm going to do right now is just take the Eco Styling Gel and just tidy up the edges and the back, and voila, that's it. So guys, this is it. It's a very simple get ready with me. There's not many steps, but thank you so much for watching this video, and to those of you who requested it, I will see you in my next one. You take care. God bless. Bye.